walking, walking Macau.
Okay, this is Anjos Lane, Travessa das Anjos. So let me get out of the sun. So we're going to be walking down this way. The lights are just coming on and we're going to check it all out. Just to give you some context. Well, let's just walk on down. Stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we are going to take a look at this street. This is where our street's going to start at. It's at the base of this street. Really, really sunny right now. And we are going to go down our Angel Street. Let me just see. Got the black and white tiles. So this is basically a little pedestrian alley, and the lights are just coming on as well, so we'll take it all in and see what it looks like. Got some nice seating there. Got some almond lemon tea shop. We'll try to not go too fast in here. Beef Pho Pao. So Beef Pho Pao is very popular with tourists. Got the black and white tiles as well. And we are going to take a look at this real quick. This says Beware of Toys. This is the Capitol Theater. So this is, I think it's an old cinema. I guess it's went through some different incarnations and now it's not actively used anymore as a cinema, but there are some like independent film things that are up there as well. So we'll just capture this. You can also see the Beef Pho Pao. So it'll service on both sides. Doner Istanbul. You got some kebabs in here. This one says Beware of Toys. So it looks like there's something new down there. And you can also see over the top is a cinema. Because I heard that cinema went through different incarnations. Let's see if we can capture. So I guess it's Beware of Toys. The cinema's at the top. There's a lemon tea shop. We're not going to go to the cinema today. We're going to just stay on the Angels Road, but now we're back out at Ginza Plaza. Just try to capture. The sun is really bright right now. So we got some more alleys. Okay. So we are going to try to sneak back in. This is where we're just at. I'm just going to, it's a little bit crowded. So that's the base of our street. And up there is Capitol Theater. Okay. So we're gonna sneak back in. So now you can kind of capture the feeling of this particular street.
Hello, please. Lemon tea.
Okay. Let's see here. Okay. We'll check this out. This is the San Jose Diocese. There's no visitors, but you can see St. Joseph with baby Jesus right there. Huh. That's almost never open. Travessa dos Anjos. And we'll keep on going down. We also have all these K-pop things too, so you can see this particular one. Henduri. Got some old buildings like this one. I think that's Lingnan style, I think it's called. This is actually a little private alleyway that just goes into residential apartments. Oh, 1944. I guess this is a reference to this particular building. So we will take a look here. So I think that is that particular building, 1944, yep. Yeah, a lot of tourists right there too. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. Okay. We're gonna take a look into here real quick. This is a little Beco dos Anjos as well. Butterfly. This is walk all the way in. This is stained glass apartments in here, little plaza. More apartments over there. Ufufu Cafe. Huh. This is usually closed. Huh. Okay. We got this little corner building as well. Okay, let's continue on our way. Got a Hey Tea shop. I used to see buskers here a long time ago, but haven't seen that in a long time. This is Capture. Sort of black and white. Beautiful mural. Okay. I think those alleys also are part of it too, so Travessa dos Anjos. So we'll just walk into it briefly. So these little alleys that go up into other apartments as well. That's a beautiful red building right there. You can see more apartments all the way up. Look at this. Look how beautiful those doors look. So those just look like it's somebody's house, but those doors look like it should be a business. You can see people live up there too. Okay. Travessa dos Anjos. Butterfly. A beautiful signage. And we're gonna keep on going down. Okay. Okay, we're also going to take a look. So that's going to be the end of the street. There's also these little patios. Patio de Manco. And there's also these little streets too, like this one, this little beco. We might follow that. We might do a separate video and show you that. Okay, so this is going to come up to the base of Anjos. And now we're on Rua de Campo. Some more little alleys like that. Okay. So that's Travessa dos Anjos.